Hi everyone, this is Muhammad Islam. My nickname is Shanto. I'm currently living in Australia. I've actually seen losing hair since I think early 2012. So since then, actually, I was noticing it a little bit at a time, and then I did take some medications and stuff earlier as well. And eventually, I've decided I'll go for a transplant. But then I was keep researching. And then finally, when I decided to go on, then I was recommended new routes to by one of my friend who has already done it a few months ago. He has actually done a couple of times as well. So this came actually very well recommended. And then I came here, I did my initial consultation over the phone, and I did my initial bookings, and everything was sorted while I was in Australia. Then basically I came in, did my another face-to-face consultation, and then did my treatment surgery. It took actually 2 days. I've done 4,500 grafts to cover my whole head. Just finished yesterday. One of the best thing I would say is that they're very friendly and professional people, and they're actually quite efficient as well. I did have some primary concern at the very early, at the very early of the surgery, but they have handled it very, very professionally, and they made me very comfortable as well. And yeah, that's why I'm here. So hopefully, hope for the best, and hopefully next time I'll talk to you guys with the full head of hair. Thanks.